Transform your chaotic kitchen into a model of efficiency with the ClearSpace Pantry Bins with dividers and lids. 2-pack. Designed to bring harmony to your storage spaces. These versatile containers are perfect for sorting everything from snacks and baking supplies to fresh produce in the refrigerator. The crystal clear plastic construction ensures that you can always see exactly what is inside at a single glance, saving you time during meal prep and grocery planning. With a focus on durability and functionality, these organizers are built to withstand daily use while maintaining their pristine appearance. What sets these organizers apart is their highly adaptable design, making the ClearSpace Pantry Bins with dividers and lids 2-pack an essential addition to any modern household. The inclusion of removable dividers allows you to customize the interior layout to fit items of various shapes and sizes, preventing clutter from shifting around. Furthermore, the secure lids allow for easy stacking, which maximizes your vertical storage space in tight cabinets or deep refrigerator shelves. Integrated handles make pulling the bins out or carrying them around the kitchen entirely effortless, providing a seamless user experience. Investing in the ClearSpace Pantry Bins with dividers and lids 2-pack means investing in a cleaner, more streamlined lifestyle that reduces daily stress. Whether you are organizing a cluttered pantry, arranging your countertop essentials, or optimizing your freezer space, these bins adapt beautifully to your unique storage needs. They are crafted from food-safe, shatter-resistant materials that are easy to wipe clean, ensuring your food stays stored in a hygienic environment. Say goodbye to messy shelves and expired items hidden in the back, and welcome a beautifully organized kitchen that inspires your culinary creativity. Pros: increased organized visible storage, perfect width for envelope packaging, includes removable plastic dividers, perfect size for upper cupboards, sturdy covers allow stacking, covers have shallow indentation, clear plastic allows visibility, can be used without covers, practical for structure creation, versatile for multiple areas, simple, functional and easy to maintain. Completely transformed messy spaces, sturdy and thick plastic, holds shape fully loaded, cuts down on duplicates, built-in handles for pulling, slides smoothly without catching, perfect size for variety, stack neatly maximizing space, cleaning is quick and easy, looks good and holds up. Helps keep tidy long-term, well-made containers, great tea or snack organizer, fits well in standard cabinets, good for electronic items, prevents digging through boxes, good high quality material, spacers can be placed anywhere, well packaged for shipping, arrived in perfect condition, a lid is included, easy to customize, frees up pantry space, allows easy item access. Thicker than user expected, offers a great value, takes place of individual boxes, easily see. When restocking. Cons: the lid just sits on top, lid lacks a lip, lids do not secure features. Includes removable dividers, includes storage lids, pantry organization bins, kitchen organization bins, refrigerator organizer bins, cabinet organizers. Transform your chaotic kitchen into a model of efficiency with the ClearSpace Pantry Bins with dividers and lids. 2-pack. Designed to bring harmony to your storage spaces. These versatile containers are perfect for sorting everything from snacks and baking supplies to fresh produce in the refrigerator. The crystal clear plastic construction ensures that you can always see exactly what is inside at a single glance, saving you time during meal prep and grocery planning. With a focus on durability and functionality, these organizers are built to withstand daily use while maintaining their pristine appearance. The ClearSpace Pantry Organization and Storage Bins offer numerous benefits, including durable, thick, and high-quality plastic construction that maintains its shape even when fully loaded. Users appreciate the bin's versatility and practical design, featuring built-in handles, smooth sliding, and clear plastic that allows for easy visibility and prevents digging through boxes. They are easy to maintain, come well packaged, and fit perfectly in standard cabinets and upper cupboards, making them ideal for organizing teas, snacks, envelopes, and electronic items. The inclusion of removable, customizable dividers and shallow indented lids allows for neat stacking and maximized space, which effectively transforms messy areas, reduces item duplication, and ensures long-term tidiness. However, a notable drawback is that the included lids do not secure tightly, as they lack a lip and simply sit loosely on top of the bins.